guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be chatting about my favorite nude lipsticks. I've done similar videos like this before talking about pinks, reds, glosses, maybe another nudes video perhaps, so I'll link all of that down below. Of course, these are going to be nudes that are suited to my skin tone, but these are all great shades and I think there'll be something in here for everybody. In addition to that, I've got drugstore, high-end, kind of like tinted balms all the way up to a liquid lipstick. In addition to that, these are all going to be on the more like, you know, kind of true nude, borderline concealer, but I still don't have to wear it with a lip liner kind of shade. And I definitely want to do one that's about more peachy nudes because, you know, that's my favorite. There might be a slight hint of peach in here. But anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So let's talk about one of my most recent discoveries. This one is from Makeup Forever, and this is one of their Rouge Artist Shine On lipsticks in Jubilant Caramel. And there actually used to be a MAC lipstick called Jubilee. That was one of my first and favorite nude lipsticks, actually. Sorry, side story. Well, I'll do it while I'm applying it. My first nude lipstick ever was from Revlon. I can't remember exactly what it was called, but Halle Berry was wearing it in an ad. And I was like, well, I need it now. So these lipsticks are really pretty. They are shine on, so they're sort of like have like a bit of a sheen. They're a cream formula. This one definitely has that kind of caramel look. There's a little bit of this kind of creamy, I don't want to say like maybe like orange undertone. It's on the warmer side. The one thing I will say about these lipsticks is they do have a bit of a stronger scent, and you can like, I wouldn't say that I love it, and it's not like a great lipstick scent in my opinion, but I absolutely love this shade. I love wearing it with deeper eyes, with like really neutral brown on the eyes. Really, really comfortable. It doesn't have like the best lasting power, but very, very comfortable. Next, let's go to the drugstore. I absolutely love this formula from Burts Bees. This is one of the Burts Bees liquid lipsticks. Now, I did a full lip swatch video on these, so I'll link it down below that when they came out a little while back. Tons of great shades, but these are a liquid lipstick, but they're more, in my opinion, like a liquefied lipstick, so they have quite a bit of pigment. They're thicker in texture, but they do transfer. They don't dry down matte, but again, I don't mind that. Not everything has to be like dry down matte, wear it for the next 72 hours kind of thing, in my opinion. And this one is, again, I find these to be buildable. The other one I debated including in here is a little bit deeper, Sandy Seas. But this is when I really want to go for that kind of nuded out look with a little bit of a peachy undertone. These also do have a scent in there, and these are made to be very hydrating on the lips. I can't remember exactly what they put in here, but they do feel very comfortable. And they have, as I mentioned, a little bit of sheen to them. But yeah, really love these. These are one of my favorite things that Burt's Bees does. There are so many lipsticks from this line that came out that I absolutely love. There's a pink that's insane. I think I included it in my favorite pinks video. There's also a really beautiful deep shade. This is a really good nude. Now this is one of the, also the packaging. Let's give a minute to the packaging. Just is that doing it justice? Really beautiful bullet. It's one of the Estee Lauder Pure Color Loves in Naked City. And I have been wearing this for years. I don't want to call it a concealer nude in a bad way, but it is. The concealer that I used to wear was one of my friends. It was from Almay, and it was a literal blemish concealer, and I would wear that as a lipstick. But this one, again, is a more cream formula, has a little bit of a sheen to it. It feels very thin on the lips, and I don't really notice a scent with this, which is really nice. But yeah, because it has a thinner formula, because it is more sheen, it's not going to be as long lasting, but it is really nice. And I think in the Pure Color Loves, they do come in different formulas. I'm almost positive some are matte, some are cream, some might be something else. And I think this one is one of the ones that's more on the cream side, but really such a beautiful shade. Now let's talk about a liquid lipstick that I love, and let me know down below if you like this style of lip swatch video where I'm sort of talking my way through the products as opposed to just like smiling with music. I don't know. Who knows? But I love these. These are probably my favorite format of liquid lipstick, favorite formula from NARS. It's one of the Power Matte Lip Pigments, but you can lick it and it won't come off. This is in the shade Get It On. I'm going to buy it in full size. I think I got this in a holiday set years ago. The red from this line, Don't Stop, was in my reds video. Obsessed with this formula. It's incredibly thin, long wearing, so comfortable. It just does everything. And because they're thin, when they dry down matte, they don't have that look on the lips where some liquid lipsticks can kind of look like paint. And when it comes to a liquid lipstick, especially a nude one, you don't want it to have that dry, cracky kind of look on your lips. So let me just give this a second to dry. So here's what it looks like after it's dried down matte. Has a really nice sort of peachy undertone. It blanks out my lips a little bit, but not to the point where it looks like just sort of unnatural, I guess. It just has a little bit of a hint of color, a little bit of nudeness. And like I mentioned, the formula is so comfortable. If the Sephora VIP sale is coming up, I definitely recommend you try these. I know they've been out for a long time and people don't talk about them as much, but they're so good. Okay, let's go back to the drugstore and another more sort of typical format of lipstick. This lipstick line, again, is another one of my absolute favorites. I've always liked CoverGirl lipsticks, but they always had a particular scent, or a lot of them did. So I was really excited when they came out with these. I believe they're the Exhibitionist lipsticks. I don't see the name on it, but I think I did a full lip swatch video of these back in the day when they came out, but this is one in a cream formula. They have cream, matte, demi-matte, and metallic, and this is in Tempting Toffee. Okay. Emily's using the litter box, so stand by. You can hear her running. Okay, let me apply this in Tempting Toffee. Another shade that I really like, it's a bit of a deeper nude, like rosy nude, a sultry sienna, but Tempting Toffee more falls in the category of today. This one is a little more beige than some of the others that I've mentioned. All of these, like for the most part, are very heavily used. Like I've had these in my collection for a long time. But again, thin formula, very comfortable. It smells like a lipstick, but there's no scent on it. Like I found some of their other lipsticks, like you could kind of taste it, but this one is just really glorious and super affordable. CoverGirl is one of the more affordable brands at the drugstore. I know I've definitely talked about this one before, another drugstore, another on the like thinner, very comfortable side, but Glossy Fawn from L'Oreal. This is one of their Color Riche Shines, not dissimilar to the YSL, and YSL and L'Oreal are both made by L'Oreal, so take from that what you will. This one is such a comfortable nude. This is like a great purse nude because you can easily toss it on. Like I said, you don't need a lip liner with any of these, but especially this I feel very comfortable to put on. I love mixing this with, oh my god, what is it? There's a peachy shade from here. Any of these mixed with like a peachy lipstick. Like I love lipstick combinations, so if you'd like a video on my favorite lipstick combos, let me know. This is very comfortable, has that kind of glossy balm finish. All the shades in here are really nice in this line, but some of them do have shimmer in them. This one does not have any shimmer. It's like a cream formula, really, really comfortable, and there's no scent, because again, L'Oreal also has a habit of doing some like really strange scent things with their lipsticks, but this one doesn't have it. Now this I don't have in its fancy packaging. I've got another one in there right now, but it's one of the Fenty Beauty Fenty Icon lipsticks. They come in, basically you can buy the tube and then you buy the kind of prettier packaging to put it in, or you can just leave it in this if you don't care. I've been using the shade Mother Lover. What is it? No, I'm saying that wrong. Oh god. Okay, let me show you both, I guess, because they're both nice. This is Pose Queen on the bottom lip, and then on the top lip is Mother Lover. Is that what it's called? I can't remember where the emphasis is. Mother Lover. No, yeah, that was right. So Pose Queen is a little bit more beige nude. The Mother Lover is on top. You probably won't be able to tell much of a difference, but it's a little bit more peach. These have a nice texture. They're more on the matte side, and they don't really have much sheen to them. I really do like this line of lipsticks. I should do a full lip swatch video about them, but I think Pose Queen is the one that probably matches these lipsticks a little bit more. I can't tell right now because I'm just looking at my tiny viewfinder here. But yeah, both really, really nice. Either of them would be beautiful. Pose Queen has the more beige undertones. Mother Lover has a little bit more peach, but you kind of can't go wrong with either of them. And when my friend LJ was in town, she has a very fair skin tone. She is Irish, and she used Pose Queen, and it looked really nice on her, but definitely pulled warmer. So it's always very interesting to see how different lipsticks can look on different skin tones. So this is the bougiest of the bunch, and it's one of the Chanel Rouge Cocoa Flash Hydrating Vibrant Shine lip colors. I believe this was trending on TikTok. I didn't see it. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't watch very much makeup TikTok. If anything, I kind of avoid it. I don't know. You know what? I'm not gonna say anything. You do you. But apparently it was trending, and it's in the shade Boy, made in France. Such beautiful packaging, obviously. I didn't purchase this. My friend Julie, I can't remember what happened. I think she ordered it, and then when she received it from wherever, it was used, and she was like, first of all, ew. Second of all, in the middle of a pandemic of all times. Anyway, she ended up getting 2 of them or something. I forget. But either way, she blessed me with the second. So thank you, Julie. I really love this one. This one, of all of them, first of all, when you look at it, it does have like little bits of shimmer in it. I don't really see it pull through on the lips a lot, but this one definitely is the most cool toned of the bunch. I don't know if you can tell, but because it is a little bit more sheer, I do like it. If this was full color and matte, I don't know that it would be the best for me, but very, very lightweight, very fancy, very rich people lips, as opposed to rich people's skin where it's just like, it's clear and you pay like $80 for it, you know what I mean? Really pretty. And what I like about this, and what I was kind of surprised about, is that although it's Chanel and it's a very luxury brand, it doesn't smell like dusty roses or anything like that. So it's very, it feels so soft when you put it on. I was shocked. Definitely thinner and a more luxurious feel than the L'Oreal, but similar idea. And then I saved the hardest one to get off for last. This is one of the Maybelline Superstay Matte Inks. If you're looking for a long-lasting lipstick, you found it right here, baby. This one is in the shade Seductress. And this has kind of a pinky peach thing going on. But these do not budge. I love these so much. Oh, I mean, it's definitely on the more pink side because it's so full coverage. Honorable mention to NYX Soft Matte Cream in London. I absolutely love that, and I can't find it. I wanted to include it, but it's not here. So this is probably the most pink that I'm mentioning, but I did want to mention it just because it is so long wearing. It does pull a little bit more on the pinky nude side as opposed to like the beigey peachy nude, but really such a beautiful formula. I recommend this lipstick formula in any of the colors. It is the most long-wearing lipstick that I've ever tried from the drugstore, from high-end, and relatively comfortable considering how long-wearing it is. I've tried lipsticks that don't last as long as this and are less, or sort of are more drying and less comfortable. So these are really, really good. I don't think I need to say that. I think we all kind of know it, but just checking in case you forgot. So those are all of my favorite nude lipsticks. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know down below if you have tried any of these, if you want to try any, and what your favorite nude is. So thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to connect with me, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at SamanthaJaneYT, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!